Hey guys! Today I'm pouring on this 8 by 36 inch canvas that I've painted the sides, and I'll be doing tree rings on this thing and then moving it around a bit. The goal is to fill the whole thing up. Now I'm skipping my intro where I show my face because I look like crap. But yeah, who cares, right? So this is what I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of paint and roughly move it around, like spread it around. I saw Karen Goodwrench do this in a video, and the way she explained it, she was so right. When you're doing tree rings, it's so much easier to pour on wet paint than straight on the canvas. Check it out, it's so cool. I was hesitant at first, but I was glad that I tilted it. You can see like all the centers of the other tree rings. There's like 1, 2, 3. So one of the tree rings is off the canvas. You see there's like 1 there, 2, 3, and then the one that I love the most that I kept. It's so cool. I wish I could show it to you guys standing up, but I'm gonna try. Okay, stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the dried result, and it looks so cool. I'd like to show it to you standing up, but it's so long that you won't see it well because I have to leave the camera horizontal. But I do want to show you something here that I've only seen with golden paints. Sometimes when they dry, they create this little pattern there. You see those little bubbles? You can call them cells if you want. And it's perfectly smooth, like it looks like texture, but there's none. You can see the shine from the pouring medium. And the intensity of these pigments, it dries so pretty. And that white there is the pearlescent white. Can I get it? Yeah, you see it's a bit darker there. I love it. Let me try and get back here. Overall look. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.